The first time I met Charles, the first thing you could see is he's got a few pounds on him.
76ers select Charles Barkley of Auburn University.
The round mound of rebound, tipping the scales, the latest at 300 pounds. He is one of the most exciting players to come out of college.
The next thing you noticed was what a talent this young man is.
Fading down the middle, now they got it to him at the baseline. Fakes, goes inside and scores.
Stolen by the Sixers. Here comes Barkley. Watch this.
And Charles Barkley single-handedly has brought the Sixers back.
It's his game to win. Barkley, 20-footer, yes, with 1.8 seconds.
He has been the #1 commentator for TBS, TNT, CBS. He's the best there is at any level.
LeBron James' comments were blank.
Inappropriate, whiny. I have to be careful because anytime you say anything, we're the grumpy old parents now. I'm going to do my job. I'm gonna do two things. I'm gonna be very honest, and I'm gonna be very fair. We just want y'all to play better and stop whining, stop sitting at every press conference like somebody killed a family pet. Our job is to give our honest opinion. And like sometimes people get mad, and that's okay.
His mom would tell you from the first day he could open his mouth, he had an opinion about something.
Abe Lincoln's my new favorite president. Why? You know why? Why? Because if it wasn't for him, we'd be calling Ernie Boss. You know, people take, let me say something.
People were upset because they thought you were making light of slavery and that whole
people don't have to
exchange.
get a life. I was a great basketball player. That's it. That's all I was. I'm not a teacher or a fireman. I'm not just saving lives.
So people shouldn't take it that seriously.
At all. Not in the least bit.
You say whatever the hell you want.
Yes, sir.
You don't edit yourself.
I do not.
People say, that guy's authentic.
That's important to me.
If it's political, whatever it might be, the beauty of Charles, is he a Democrat, Republican? Doesn't matter. He's an independent. He speaks his mind.
The media, they love controversy. And the greatest controversy in this country is racism, sadly. How can you be a white separatist and represent all the constituents in your state? People feel emboldened to do things and say things now.
Do you think he encourages that?
Yes, of course he does encourage it.
The true Charles Barkley is someone that you don't see. Charles loves children, #1. He cares deeply. He has scholarship funds.
Society tell us we can only play sports and be rappers. I don't believe that. We can be doctors, lawyers, engineers, teachers, firemen, policemen. Our only role models don't have to be jocks and entertainers.
He does more than give his money. He's involved. He's there, he's present, he's around the children, trying to motivate them, to show them what they potentially could be. It's not important that anyone knows that he does this. It's because it's right here, it's important to him.